Dear viewers, with last class, chapter 1 integers completed. Now I am going to explain second chapter, that is fractions, decimals and rational numbers. Okay, in that we should discuss about the fractions, decimals and rational numbers. In this, see, first exercise 1, first question is given that compute and express the result as a mixed fraction. Okay, we should express these given numbers in mixed fraction. For that, first what we should do, okay, let us see here. I will explain in my notebook. Very simple. Mixed fraction we need to write. See here, first given that 2 plus 3 by 4. Okay, here any number not there denominator we should take as 1. Now you have to take LCM. For 1 and 4, LCM is 4. Okay, 1 in 4 times it will go. So 2 into 4 plus 3 into 1. 4 in 4 one time it will go. So into 1 we should write. 2 4s are 8. 3 1s are 3 by 4. Okay, next here 8 plus 3 how much you will get? 11 by 4. This is improper fraction. Now this improper fraction we need to convert into mixed fraction. Why? Because here mixed fraction we want to express given result. Okay, now convert into mixed fraction. Okay, how we can convert? By doing division. Now that fraction you have to do the division. Okay, 4 3s are 12, it will go more. So 4 2s are 8. Remainder is 3. Okay, now we should express it. It is in mixed fraction. Quotient, remainder divided by dividend. Okay, this is the mixed fraction. Is mixed fraction of 2 plus 3 by 4. Okay, like this we can solve. Next, second bit, what is given? 7 by 9 plus 1 by 3. This also we should write in mixed fraction. Okay, how we can write once? See here, 9 and 3. For that LCM 9. Okay, so first you have to take the LCM 9. 7 into 1. Why? Because this 9, in this 9 it will go one time. 9 1s are 9, no, so one time it will go, plus 1 into 3 in 9 it will go 3 times. 3 3s are 9, no, so it will go 3 times. Numerator into number of times it will go that number. Okay, that we should write. Okay, next 7 1s are 7 plus 1 3s are 3 by 9. Okay, 7 plus 3 10. 10 by 9. We can write in mixed fraction form. For that what we should do? We should do the division. 9 1s are 9, remainder is 1. So 1 by 9 is the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction of 7 by 9 plus 1 by 3. Okay, next third bit. Third bit is given that 1 minus 4 by 7. Okay, here in this solution, here 1 is there, so we can write that 1 as 1 by 1 minus 4 by 7. Now you have to compute this value. For 1 and 7, LCM is 7. So 1 into 7 minus 4 into 1. Okay, here denominator 7 is there. 7 in 7, one time it will go. So numerator 4 into number of times it will go in that. Okay, we should write 7 1s are 7, 4 1s are 4. by 7. 7 minus 4, 3 by 7. Okay, 3 by 7. So we can take this in a mixed fraction form. Okay, this is proper fraction. Okay, now you can do the division. 0, 7 4s are 28. Okay, now 2 is the remainder. Now we can write as 2, quotient 4, 2 by 7. Like this we can express. Next to fourth bit, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Okay, first this mixed fraction you can convert into improper fraction. Convert 2 by 3 into mixed fraction. Improper fraction. Okay, now that how we can convert? 2 3 is 6, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 by 3 plus 1 by 2. This is the improper fraction. This is the mixed fraction. For this mixed fraction we are converted into improper fraction. Okay, now you can take the LCM. LCM is 6. 8 into 3 2s are 6. So 2 plus 1 into 2 3s are 6. Okay, now 8 2s are 16. 3 1s are 3 by 6. Now 16 plus 3, 19 by 6. This 19 by 6 you can convert into mixed fraction. This is the improper fraction. This we can convert into mixed fraction. For that you have to do the division. Okay, 6 3s are 18. Remainder is 1. So we can write mixed fraction 3 1 by 6. Okay, this is the answer, mixed fraction. Okay, next fourth bit after, next fifth bit. Okay, fifth bit is given that 5 by 8 minus 1 by 6. Okay, now you can take the LCM. Okay, 48. 5 into 6 minus 1 into 8. 30 minus 8 divided by 48. 30 minus 8 means 22. Yes, 22 by 48. You can do the cancellation with 2 table. Okay, 2 2s are 2 4s, 2 11s. Okay, 11 by 24. Like this we can do. Next, sixth calculation. 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. This is the sixth bit. First, this mixed fraction you can convert into improper fraction. Okay. Now for that 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8 by 3 plus 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Okay. 6 is the LCM. 8 into 2 plus 7 into 3. 16 plus 21 by 6. 16 plus 21. Do the addition. 7, 3. 37. Okay. 37 by 6. That you can convert into mixed fraction. Okay. Six 5s are 30. 6 6 are 36. 1 is the remainder. 6 1 by 6.